Hello to you and thanks for joining us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Kading. When something catastrophic like a fire or a flood or mold hits your home or business, you need restoration experts you can trust. And that's why many people all across Western North Carolina turn to the experts at Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning. And joining us today is our good friend Mary Palermo. Great to have you back, Mary. How are you?
I'm really good, Mark. Thank you.
There's an exciting announcement you have for us today. Go ahead.
There is. Everybody buckle your seatbelts because it's pretty big. But no, it's very exciting. I have officially sold Rainbow Restoration to an amazing man. We're on the same page. We have the same ethics, and his name is Dave Mattingly. So hopefully next time you get to meet him as well.
That sounds great. Well, congratulations on selling your business. I know that's a goal for many business owners, but that's not the only thing. It doesn't mean that you're leaving Rainbow Restoration because you're still a big part of what's happening, right?
I am. He's a very smart man because he kept me on board. So he has kept me as director of marketing. And you know, I've worked really hard to build the business the last 5 years, and the passion that I have for Rainbow and Western North Carolina is solid and valid.
Well,
so, yeah.
You talk about that reputation that you've earned, you know, as being the CEO of Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning for people all across Western North Carolina. What does this mean for them?
So, oh my goodness, a lot. So Dave is bringing to the table really, truly, and a lot more than I could offer with resources and equipment, with upper management to really take care of larger losses, along with employee benefits and so much more. So, you know, just welcome to the team and to Western North Carolina.
And that great same dependability and service that people have known will certainly continue. You mentioned the word benefits when it comes to employees, but really what are some of the great benefits of this transition and ownership for Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning?
Well, I think our primary goal is to be one of the leaders here in Western North Carolina. And the reason being is the code of values. We really want to bring that to the table here when people have disasters, because it's not fun to go through.
When you talk about that code of values, I mean, you know, there are a couple of things that really drive that. Can you explain a little bit more on that?
Absolutely. So it's ethics, customer focus, respect, integrity, and yeah.
When people call you, I mean, they're really in a bad period in life a lot of times. You kind of see people sometimes on their worst days, so it's great to have that customer focus.
Well, yeah, and they're just like, it's kind of like any disaster, you don't know what to do.
You're a little shell-shocked.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Exactly.
Well, we love you here, and I'm glad we get to still see you as you're staying on board as Director of Marketing, and we look forward to the new ownership of Rainbow Restoration and Cleaning as well.
Thank you, Mark.
We like to always tell you when you see Mary Palermo and her team here, write this number down, have it in your phone, 828-333-6996. That's 333-6996. And you know, if you ever need to use it, it's right there for you. Mary, congratulations on selling your business.
Thanks, Mark. I
Look
really
forward to
appreciate
seeing
it.
you again.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being with us today on Spotlight Carolina.